How to fix TikTok app recharge problem. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and I will guide you to fix TikTok app. Without further ado, let's get started. Launch TikTok on your device. Make sure that you sign in and tap profile at bottom right corner of your screen. Tap menu icon at top right corner and select setting and privacy. Now scroll down to the bottom of your screen and you need to select report a problem. Scroll down towards the bottom and tap on chat with us. Now tap on send a message bar and you just need to type report a problem. Hit the send icon at bottom right corner of your screen. And here you get the option to submit a ticket. You simply need to select that. And here you need to type a message that I have issues with not being able to recharge. I need this to be fixed. And you need to submit this feedback. And with that, TikTok support usually responds within 24 to 48 hours. I personally got a fix even faster. So keep an eye on your messages. Hopefully, this resolves your issues too. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then don't forget to like, share, and comment. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.